guys, I'm back at Lake Area Shore again, and this time I'm going to target largemouth bass with this bait. Okay, and this is my first time using this kind of bait to catch bass, and I will show you guys how to agitate the bass with this kind of bait. Today is kind of windy, and I might have a hard time to control my line in the water because I prefer calm, not choppy water like this. Okay, my nephew have been using this and I never been using it at all. Okay, but since I saw him catching bass, so I start ordering this, and I spend almost $300 to $400 on this bait. It's not easy to catch bass in open body water like Lake Area, but the most important thing to get the fish to bite is your presentation. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I work on this bait. Okay, so my trick and technique always different from other people. I've been seeing my nephew using this. He just cast out there, let it sing and pop, pop, pop. Okay, and my way is not like that. Okay, I have another way that I want to make this bait look like wounded or injured bait fish, or a fish that try to escape from the jaw of the largemouth bass or smallmouth or walleyes. Okay, tricks and techniques will come up after these video clips. That's a big one. Yeah. That's a largemouth bass. Yeah. Bandito box. Yeah. I just lost my goddamn thing again. Every time I got the fish, that bait just flew out of the thing. That's a good sign, though. Yeah. Thanks. Oh, you try to catch steelhead? You try to catch steelhead?
Yeah, I'm using a little Cleo.
Oh, okay.
I was actually going to switch to a worm or something.
Yeah, I think right now they started moving out, because it's getting cold. Yeah. And the fish, like, look at this, they're all fat. You too, man. Oh, fish on. Second one. Yeah. I don't know, maybe the same size, you know? It looked like the same family there, you know? Yeah, probably bigger one, yeah. Maybe a pound and a half.
I think you found the hot spot.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
All right, man. All right, guys. So, second fish today from lake area. Not the big one, maybe about 15 inches, guys. Okay, so take a picture of it. I have prompt control. There's a lot of wind. It's so windy right now. Yeah. Take it. Number 3. Hey! Hey! Number 3. Today. Oh, see? I want to take you home. Alright, guys, so number 3 today, okay, guys? See that? Same side, they're all fat, this fish, okay? It's totally different from you cut from the lake there, okay? This is lake area, okay? This is how I jig it. When the bait sinking down to the bottom, I jig 1, 2, 3 up. Then I let it sink 5 seconds or more. Then I start jigging to my left, 1, 2, 3. Let it sink 5 or more seconds. Then I start jigging back up, 1, 2, 3. Then I start let it sinking 5 seconds or more. Okay. Then this time I start jigging to my right 3 times, 1, 2, 3. You can jig it slow or fast. It's up to you. But I recommend you jig fast and slow. You could do 1 fast, 2 slow, and then 3, 4 fast, okay? When I'm jigging, I could go fast, slow, or slow and fast, because I do not want my bait here to move the same pace. I want to create different pace when each time I jig it. Another reason that I try to jig differently because I try to imitate wounded or injured baitfish that's struggling to swim up or stay afloat or try to get away from big fish. I jig differently each time because I want to create a certain moves that provoke the fish to strike. So when the bait starts going down, you can swing up 2, 3 and then swing to the left, right, down, up. It's up to you. You could do 1, you could do 2. Okay, you don't have to follow exact same thing that I tried to show you guys in this video, okay? So stay tuned, guys. See these next clips. Last time when I came here, it was so windy, but today I came back here and try to show you guys how I jig this. Okay, so I let it sink, then I go pop like that, okay? Then I go left, okay? One pop, two pop there, okay? So you have to do your own way. This is how I jig it, okay? So I go 1, 2, okay? And I go left 1, 2. I might go one time again, and I go right, okay? Let it sink, top, okay? Then sink again, like this, okay? That's how I jig it. And it's really effective, okay? Here we go, see that? I caught one already. See? But small one though. See? Small one. Just show you guys how to do it, but so I cast out there. I let it sink, okay? Release my line a little bit, okay? So now it sinks, so I pop 1, 2, okay? Then I let it sink again, and then go 1, 2, okay? Then I go either 1 or 2 up there. Then I let it sink again, and go, okay? So keep repeat the same step, and this is the most effective way that I catch the bass, okay? If they're in there, they will bite, guys, okay? So right now, I let it sink, okay? Maybe 5 seconds or 10 seconds at the sink. Then I start to go top 1, 2, okay? Then I can go 1, 2, okay? And then 1, and then 1, 2, okay? It depends on how you want to do it, okay? This is how I jig it, and this is the most effective way to get the fish in. See, I got another one, see that? Okay? So the jigging is really important, guys, you know, to get them to bite, okay? So I caught 2 already, not even 10 minutes yet, okay? Well, this one is this good side though. Oop, that's what I hit the most. I lost my Bandit back again. Alright, so number 2 on that thing there. Okay, see? If you jig it right, they will bite. So cut 2 though, just I want to show you how to do it. Here we go. Fish on again. See that, my friend? See? Sometimes they don't care about, you know, the noise there. If they want to bite, okay? You know, sometimes they said, oh, you got to be quiet, you know, in order to fish to bite, you know. It's not about that. It's about if they in the mood to bite, they bite. I lost it. They're all fat, okay, right now, okay? So I caught 3 already, okay? Just not even, I don't know, 15 minutes probably. Thanks.